Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I wear my eyeliner. Also, I saw a few eyeliner hacks over the internet. I thought I'll do it in front of you and see the results. Well, before getting into the video, I would like to talk about the eyeliners that I have. So, these are the 4 liners that I use the most. This one I ordered online from a local brand. And it looks like this. It comes with this brush. It's a very pointed brush and you can apply your eyeliner with this. I would give this a 5 out of 10. It smudges on the eyes. Spare my voice guys, I'm having flu and sore throats, that's why my voice is a little heavy right now. Well, next up is this eyeliner. This one is by Bell Cosmetics. It's a very nice eyeliner. It's jet black, it dries up really quickly and it has a very pointed tip. One drawback is that it has a soft tip and a beginner may not be able to apply eyeliner with this one that easily. But apart from soft tip, it is great. Then I have this liquid ink by Essence. This is like a very famous eyeliner. I like it. It's really nice as well. It has a pointed tip. It is jet black and I would give this liner a 9 out of 10. My favorite one is this. This is by Pre.T. It is jet black, dries up quickly. The best part is that it is a pointed and a hard tip. It is very easy to apply eyeliner with this, especially for a beginner. If you are a beginner and you're looking for a good eyeliner, you can get this one. Also, you can opt for the Essence eyeliner. Both of these eyeliners are great, but this one is my favorite, Pre.T. Okay, now let's just get into the video. Spare the eye makeup guys because I just took off the eyeliner that I was already wearing and it all got a bit messy. Anyway, let's just start. So I'm going to start with how I apply my eyeliner. This is where my eye ends. I'm going to start with creating a wing first and I'll start immediately where my eye ends and I'll go upward. I like the wing in this way, so I'll go upwards like this. Always start where your waterline ends and go upwards. If you go straight, it will feel like your eyes are drooling. Also, there are different ways of applying eyeliner on different types of eyes, like hooded eyes. On that I might do another video, but for today, let's just start. So I'm going to start where my waterline ends. Basically, it's like extending my lower lash line. The wing will be pointing towards the lower end of my eyebrows. I hope that makes sense. And if you cannot make the whole line at once, you can just start with small strokes and then extend it as much as you want. The more you will extend, the longer wing you will get. Now I will come on to my eyelids, apply eyeliner and then I will join it. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner over my eyelids. I'm going to start with very thin lines and I'm going to make it thicker gradually. Once I'm done with my lids, I'm going to join it with my wing and then I'm going to fill it up. And you can see how I'm doing that. And once I'm done with filling it up, I'm just going to smooth it out. I also apply eyeliner on my eye corner just a little bit. And well, there you go. Now this is not too thick, not too thin, and neither it is too extended. I think it's just the right amount for my eye, and well, that is how I do it. Now there is another way of how I apply my eyeliner, and for that, first I apply eye shade, a dark brown shade. I extend it just like you would extend your liner and I apply eyeliner just over the lid. It looks way more natural and pretty good. I'm going to take a dark brown shade. You can take a dark brown shade from any palette that you have. So now I'm going to start applying this dark brown shade on my eyes and I'm going to make a wing with it. Very similar to how I apply eyeliner usually and how I just explained it to you. Now for eyeliner, eyeliner, I'll be using this eyeliner by Essence, the liquid ink, and I'll just apply it over my eyelid. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner just over my eyelids. You can keep it thin or you can make it thicker, whatever you like, whatever you think suits your eyes. I do not like to make it too thick, as I think it makes my eyes look a little smaller. And again with a brown shade, I will blend out the edges. Well, that's it. That is the other way that I do my eyeliner. Now let's try the hacks. For hacks, I'll be using this eyeliner by Bell Cosmetics, and the first hack that I'll be trying will be the card one. So I'm going to take a card like this. I'll be placing it here. This is the direction that I usually wear my eyeliner in, so I'll be placing the card in the same direction. It got a little messy, but that was given. Now let's just try to fill it out. Overall it looks fine to me, but it got a little messy over here. But obviously we can wipe it off with a makeup cleanser, or we can apply concealer over it. So yeah, not that bad. Let's try the other hack. The other hack is by using an eye tape, and that is how you apply it. In the upward direction. Just a little away from where your waterline ends. Not bad. But I can see that it is still a little messy over here. But I can even it out. Well, there you go, guys. I feel the eye tape hack is better than the cardboard. And obviously the best way is to learn how to apply it and then apply it the basic way. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.